If you want to add border radius to Elementor slides and give your images that smooth, rounded corner look, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do it inside Elementor without needing any custom code. This is a simple design tweak, but it can make a huge difference in how polished your slides, carousels, or image widgets look on your website. And if this video helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more easy WordPress and Elementor tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the page in Elementor and click on the slide widget, image carousel, or whatever image-based widget you're using. The key thing to remember here is that the border radius needs to be applied directly to the image inside the widget, not just the section around it. So once you select the widget, you'll see the settings panel open on the left side of the screen. Now go to the Style tab at the top of the panel. This is where Elementor keeps all the visual design settings for the widget. Under Style, look for the image section and click to expand it. Depending on the widget you're using, this may be labeled slightly differently, but you're looking for the controls that affect the actual image appearance. Once that section is open, find the border radius field. This is the setting that controls how rounded the corners of your slides will be. If you want all four corners to match, you can keep the values linked together. That means when you enter one number, Elementor applies it to every corner at the same time. A value like 15 pixels or 20 pixels usually gives you a nice clean rounded effect. If you want more control, click the chain icon to unlink the values. This lets you round each corner individually. That's useful if you only want the top corners rounded, or if you want a custom shape for your slides. For example, you could round the top left and top right corners while leaving the bottom corners straight. That gives you much more design flexibility. As soon as you enter your value, you should see the corners update right away. That immediate preview makes it easy to test different sizes until you find a look that fits your layout. If the radius feels too subtle, increase the pixels a little. If it feels too strong, lower the number until it looks balanced with the rest of your page design. A good tip here is to make sure your border radius matches the style of the rest of your website. If your buttons, containers, and cards already use rounded corners, keeping your slides consistent will make your site feel more professional and visually unified. Small details like this are often what separate a basic page from a well-designed one. Also, if your image still looks square after adding the radius, double-check that you applied the setting to the correct image section inside the widget. In Elementor, some sliders have separate settings for the outer wrapper and the actual image itself. The radius has to be applied to the image area if you want the slide corners to change. Once you're happy with the result, simply update or publish your page to save the changes. That's it. Your Elementor slides now have rounded corners, and your design should look much more modern and polished. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Elementor tips, WordPress tricks, and beginner-friendly web design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.